invite you to take a nice, long, deep, cleansing breath. And sitting upright as is comfortable for your body so the energy can flow up. We've heard of that spiritual eye, the third eye, some people refer to it. Jesus said, if thine eye be single, thy whole body will be filled with light. We want that energy, we want to allow that energy to just flow freely up. Sitting upright is helpful for that. And let's take another nice, long, cleansing, deep breath. And as you exhale, feel your body relaxing. And now we consciously relax this body, sending the message to every muscle. Starting at the feet, relax and let go. Feel your feet relaxing. Moving your awareness into your calves, sending the message, relax, relax. Becoming aware of the place behind your knees, relaxing, letting go. Allow your abdomen and stomach to relax. Relaxing your hands, forearms, shoulders. Relaxing the muscles in your chest. Just by simply saying, relax, relax, and your body listens and responds. Relaxing the muscles in your back, the upper, middle, lower back. Moving your awareness into your neck, relaxing the front, the back, the sides of your neck. Becoming aware of your jaw, the muscles in your jaw and your face. Relax and let go. Feel your eyes relaxing back in the sockets, relaxing your nose, your lips, your tongue, your ears, your forehead, your scalp. And now scanning your body from the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. And noticing any place that still needs to relax. You might want to just gently tense and release that part of your body. St. Paul said, know ye not that you are the temple of the living God? Jesus said, is it not written, ye are gods, the little g? You and I are the very living expression of Spirit. Spirit is everywhere present, in all, through all, and greater than all. And yet that very presence is expressing as you, your beingness. Know within yourself, I am Spirit. I am God living itself as me. And as I allow this presence to unfold and express as me, the the light, the love, the wisdom, the power, and all good flow through and as me into my life. I am the face of God. And as I look at those around me and in my life, I see the face of God. I look beyond appearances, and I know that others, their awareness, their consciousness is spirit. They might be repressing or blocking or frustrating that expression, that complete expression, but I know that just like me, they too are the living expression of spirit. And I invite you now to move beyond words and beyond thoughts. And let's focus our attention on our breathing. As your breath flows in and as it flows out, just feel it moving in and out of your nasal passages. And as it flows in, mentally think the words, I am. And as the breath flows out, spirit. I am on the inhalation, spirit on the exhalation. And when the mind wanders, just bring it back to the breath and the affirmation, I am spirit. And now taking a nice, long, deep breath. And just letting go of watching the breathing. Just enjoy the quiet within you. Enjoy the stillness. You can just be present to the stillness, to the quiet, noticing whatever you might be feeling. Or if you'd like to visualize, see yourself experiencing something good in your life, sensing yourself expressing Spirit's presence. Be still in the quiet now. the way shower and teacher, Jesus the Christ, said, "You are the light of the world." Imagine your consciousness now as light. Imagine yourself as light. See and feel that light shining brilliantly within you, filling your whole body with light, the light of healing, the light of strength, the light of wisdom, the light of all good, the light of joy and love. And feel yourself a brilliant expression of light that radiates forth from you. And from this personal realization of Spirit expressing as you, let us know that for our loved ones, our family and friends. See and feel that each one is a radiant expression of God. And know that that light shining brightly in and as them is symbolic for all of Spirit's good flowing through and expressing in their life. See them as open instruments of Spirit's good. Know that each one is filled with comfort and peace, strength and guidance, wisdom, prosperity. And that Spirit is unfolding through and as each one perfectly and in divine order. And so now we release each one of them, trusting Spirit's activity in their life. Just like when you plant a seed and you water it and the sun shines, you let it grow. You trust it's happening. And so we do that with our friends and family. And now we expand to include planet Earth, our beautiful planet, and all the creatures on this planet and all the life, flowers, the trees, the water, the animals, everything. A brilliant sphere of God's light. And we include every person on this planet. I see the face of God, the face of Spirit on every person, with all the beautiful diversity of each person and every person. A reflection of the great one presence and power. Spirit, the source of us all. And I feel the harmony and the peace and the love. And let us now bring our awareness back to the room where we are, back to our physical bodies, hearing sounds around us, moving hands, moving our toes and body, grounding ourselves, and letting this new consciousness unfold through us and in our life. For we're not the same. We are releasing a little bit more of who we really are. Spirit living itself as us. And so it is. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.